Carl from HDZero has just released images of the upcoming HDZero goggle, and boy do they look absolutely amazing. In this video, I'm going to share those images with you, as well as images of a prototype that is currently in development, as well as the specs of these particular goggles. First thing that we know is that the HDZero VRX is being fully integrated into the goggle module, and this is going to remove the need to have a VRX as well as goggles separately. Now, for those analog pilots, you are going to be able to bolt on a rapid fire or analog receiver to the side of the goggles and still connect in and fly. One of the key features that Carl is absolutely working hard on is delivering a 4 to 6 millisecond latency glass to glass. What that means is from when the camera sees the image to when it's displayed on the glass, you're going to have 4 to 6 milliseconds. Then we have the screens in the goggles. They're going to be 1080p with a 90 frames per second refresh rate, so you can ensure that you're getting the quickest image without any delay. The screens are going to have a massive 40 to 6 degree field of view, so you're going to have that really immersive experience. But with the trend of racers wanting a small field of view so they can see absolutely everything without having to readjust their eyes, that is going to be delivered through firmware, a small field of view mode similar to what Skyzone have in their analog goggles, specifically for the racing application. Now, there's always going to be onboard DVR, but this is where we start to get into the ports. First, we're going to have HDMI in as well as AV in, as you would expect. There's your typical firmware update port. There's input for a head tracker, as well as a headphone jack and HDMI out. These goggles are going to have HDMI out to allow you to connect up to an external monitor or to someone else's goggles that have HDMI in to take them on a ride. Pricing hasn't been confirmed to my knowledge at the time of this video, and I will drop it in the comments below once it is. And in terms of production time, we are looking at October. These goggles look absolutely amazing, and I'm certainly going to be buying a pair when they come out. But for now, a big thanks to Carl for succumbing to peer pressure to release these images to the community, and I hope you enjoy it. Until next time, I'm Darren from Everything Micro FPV. Don't forget to send it.